Question 1. Which one of the following states was a milk cow for the British? A. Hyderabad. B. Punjab. C. Mysore. D. Awadh. Correct answer is D. Awadh. Question 2. In which year did the British introduce Gregorian calendar in their dominion in India? A.1740. B.1752. C.1765. D. 1772. Correct answer is B. 1752. Question 3. Who of the following led the Army of East India Company in the Battle of Buxar in 1764? A. Hector Munro. B. Watson. C. Warren Hastings. D. Lord Clive. Correct answer is A. Hector Munro. Question 4. Which building constructed in India by the British was known as White Town? A. Fort William, Calcutta. B. Residency, Lucknow. C. St. George, Madras. D. Victoria Memorial, Calcutta. Correct answer is C. St. George, Madras. Question 5. Who was the president of Fort William? A. Job Charnoka. B. Sir John Clive. C. Sir Lord Clive. D. Sir Charles Ayer. Correct answer is D. Sir Charles Ayer. Question 6. The filtration theory in educational policy of India was propagated by A. W. C. Wood. B. Lord Macaulay. C. J. Mill. D. Lord Cornwallis. Correct answer is B. Lord Macaulay. Question 7. Between which stations was the first railway line opened in India? A. Calcutta to Raniganj. B. Bombay to Pune. C. Calcutta to Bombay. D. Bombay to Thane. Correct answer is D. Bombay to Thane. Question 8. What is the share of Zamindar in permanent settlement? A. 1 by 4. B. 1 by 6. C. 1 by 11. D. 1 by 2. Correct answer is C. 1 by 11. Question 9. Who of the following laid first rail line in India? A. Lord Ellenborough. B. Lord Wellesley. C. Lord William Bentinck. D. Lord Cornwallis. Correct answer is D. Lord Cornwallis. Question 10. Who was the father of civil service? A. Lord Minto. B. Lord Wellesley. C. Lord Cornwallis. D. William Bentinck. Correct answer is C. Lord Cornwallis. Question 11. Which one of the following states was first annexed under the doctrine of lapse? A. Hyderabad. B. Jhansi. C. Sambalpur. D. Satara. Correct answer is D. Satara. Question 12. Who among the following has been called as a heaven-born general? A. Francis Dupleix. B. Lord Hastings. C. Robert Clive. D. Lord Cornwallis. Correct answer is C. Robert Clive. Question 13. King George V visited India during the viceroyship of A. Lord Ripon. B. Lord Curzon. C. Lord Harting. D. Lord Mayor. Correct answer is C. Lord Harting. Question 14. Who was the architect of Communal Award? A. Lord Linlithgow. B. Lord Reading. C. Lord Irwin. D. Ramsay MacDonald. Correct answer is D. Ramsay MacDonald. Question 15. Father of local self-government in India. A. Lord Curzon. B. Lord Hardinge. C. Lord Ripon. D. Lord Lytton. Correct answer is C. Lord Ripon. Question 16. Which viceroy is regarded as the catalyst of Indian nationalism? A. Lord Minto. B. Lord Dalhousie. C. Lord Canning. D. Lord Curzon. Correct answer is D. Lord Curzon. Question 17. Who among the following is remembered for the annulment of partition of Bengal? A. Lord Champfetted. B. Lord Curzon. C. Lord Harding. D. Lord Minto. Correct answer is C. Lord Harding. Question 18. The system of indirect election was introduced in the year A. 1861. B. 1892. C. 1909. D. 1919. Correct answer is B. 1892. Question 19. When did the Battle of Plassey take place? A. 1757. B. 1857. C. 1657. D. 1957. Correct answer is A. 1757. Question 20. Who was the first Governor General of British India? A. Lord Dalhousie. B. Lord Cornwallis. C. Lord Vellal. D. Warren Hastings. Correct answer is D. Warren Hastings. Question 21. The Indian National Congress was founded in which year? A. 1885. B. 1905. C. 1857. D. 1920. Correct answer is A. 1885. Question 22. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place in which year? A. 1919. B. 1920. C. 1947. D. 1857. Correct answer is A.1919. Question 23. The Indian Constitution was adopted on A. the 26th of January 1950. B. the 15th of August 1947. C. the 30th of January 1948. D. the 2nd of October 1950. Correct answer is A. the 26th of January 1950. Question 24. The Rowlatt Act was passed in which year? A. 1919. B. 1922. C. 1930. D. 1942. Correct answer is A.1919. Question 25. The first session of the Indian National Congress was held in A. Bombay. B. Calcutta. C. Madras. D. Allahabad. Correct answer is A. Bombay. Question 26. Who was the Governor General during the Sepoy Mutiny of 1857? A. Lord Dalhousie. B. Lord Canning. C. Lord Cornwallis. D. Lord Wellesley. Correct answer is B. Lord Canning. Question 27. The Bardoli Satyagraha was led by A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Sardar Patel. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. D. Annie Besant. Correct answer is B. Sardar Patel. Question 28. The first Indian woman to become the President of the United Nations General Assembly was A. Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. B. Indira Gandhi. C. Sarojini Naidu. D. Sucheta Kripalani. Correct answer is A. Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. Question 29. The Swadeshi movement was started in response to A. Partition of Bengal. B. Jallianwala Bagh massacre. C. Quit India movement. D. Simon Commission. Correct answer is A. Partition of Bengal. Question 30. The Indian National Army (INA) trials were held at A. Red Fort, Delhi. B. Cellular Jail, Andaman. C. Jallianwala Bagh, Amritsar. D. Sabarmati Ashram, Ahmedabad. Correct answer is A. Red Fort, Delhi. Question 31. The August Offer was a proposal made by the British during which year? A. 1940. B. 1942. C. 1945. D. 1947. Correct answer is C. 1945. Question 32. Who was the first Indian to become the President of the Indian National Congress? A. Dadabhai Naoroji. B. Vomesh Chandra Banerjee. C. A.O. Hame. D. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Correct answer is B. Vomesh Chandra Banerjee. Question 33. The Champaran Satyagraha was launched by Mahatma Gandhi in which year? A. 1917. B. 1920. C. 1919. D. 1922. Correct answer is A. 1917. Question 34. The Cabinet Mission Plan was introduced in which year? A. 1942. B. 1945. C. 1946. D. 1947. Correct answer is C. 1946. Question 35. The Direct Action Day was called by the Muslim League in which city? A. Calcutta. B. Lahore. C. Delhi. D. Mumbai. Correct answer is A. Calcutta. Question 36. Who was the Viceroy of India when the Indian Independence Act was passed? A. Lord Mountbatten. B. Lord Linlithgow. C. Lord Wavell. D. Lord Irwin. Correct answer is A. Lord Mountbatten. Question 37. The Nagpur session of the Indian National Congress, 1920, is famous for the launch of which movement? A. Non-cooperation movement. B. Quit India movement. C. Civil disobedience movement. D. Swadeshi movement. Correct answer is A. Non-cooperation movement. Question 38. The slogan, Jaya Jawan Jaya Kisan, was coined by A. Lal Bahadur Shastri, B. Indira Gandhi, C. Rajiv Gandhi, D. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Correct answer is A. Lal Bahadur Shastri. Question 39. The Quit India movement is also known as A. August Kranti, B. Swadeshi movement, C. Dandi March, D. Bardoli Satyagraha. Correct answer is A. August Kranti. Question 40. The Indian National Congress split into two factions at the Surat session in which year? A. 1905, B. 1907, C. 1916, D. 1920. Correct answer is B. 1907. Question 41. The Indian Independence Act was passed by the British Parliament in A. 1947, B. 1950, C. 1942, D. 1935. Correct answer is A. 1947. Question 42. Who was the first Governor General of Independent India? A. Lord Mountbatten, B. C. Rajagopalachari, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, D. Sardar Patel. Correct answer is B. C. Rajagopalachari. Question 43. The Simon Commission was appointed in which year? A. 1927, B. 1935, C. 1919, D. 1942. Correct answer is A. 1927. Question 44. The non-cooperation movement was launched in response to which event? A. Jallianwala Bagh Massacre, B. Champaran Satyagraha, C. Rowlatt Act, D. Simon Commission. Correct answer is A. Jallianwala Bagh Massacre. Question 45. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was given the epithet Lokmanya during A. Swadeshi movement, B. Revolutionary movement, C. Home Rule movement, D. Quit India movement. Correct answer is C. Home Rule movement. Question 46. Who founded the All India Muslim League in 1906? A. Muhammad Ali Jinnah, B. Aga Khan, C. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, D. Nawab Salimullah. Correct answer is C. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Question 47. The Round Table conferences were held in which city? A. London, B. Delhi, C. Karachi, D. Lahore. Correct answer is A. London. Question 48. The first woman president of the Indian National Congress was A. Sarojini Naidu, B. Annie Besant, C. Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit, D. Sucheta Kripalani. Correct answer is B. Annie Besant. Question 49. Who was known as the Frontier Gandhi? A. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, D. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Correct answer is A. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Question 50. Who was regarded as mother of Indian Revolution? A. Annie Besant, B. Snehata Wadekar, C. Sarojini Naidu, D. Madam Bhikhaji Rustam Kama. Correct answer is D. Madam Bhikhaji Rustam Kama. Question 51. The Government of India Act, 1935 provided for the establishment of A. Provincial autonomy, B. Indian Parliament, C. Separate electorates, D. Partition of India. Correct answer is A. Provincial autonomy. Question 52. Who played the role of mediator in Gandhi-Irwin Pact? 1. Motilal Nehru, 2. Tej Bahadur Sapru, 3. Annie Besant, 4. Chintamani. Correct answer is B. Tej Bahadur Sapru. Question 53. The Pune Pact was signed between Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Sardar Patel, D. Rajendra Prasad. Correct answer is A. Mahatma Gandhi. Question 54. The Quit India movement was launched in which year? A. 1942, B. 1930, C. 1920, D. 1947. Correct answer is A. 1942. Question 55. Who drafted the Quit India Movement resolution? A. Vallabhbhai Patel, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Acharya Narendra Bose, D. Mahatma Gandhi. Correct answer is B. Jawaharlal Nehru. Question 56. Where was Jatiya Sarkar formed during the Quit India movement? A. Ballia. B. Nagpur. C. Satara. D. Tamluk. Correct answer is D. Tamluk. Question 57. Who was the leader of the Red Shirt Party? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Maulana Azad. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. D. Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Correct answer is D. Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Question 58. Who among the following attended all the three round table conference? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Bhimrao Ambedkar. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. D. Vallabhbhai Patel. Correct answer is B. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Question 59. In which session of the Muslim League two-nation theory was propounded? A. Lahore Session 1915. B. Bombay Session 1915. C. Delhi Session 1918. D. Calcutta Session 1917. Correct answer is A. Lahore Session 1915. Question point 61. Who was the last Viceroy of India? A. Lord Mountbatten. B. Lord Irwin. C. Lord Wavell. D. Lord Linlithgow. Correct answer is A. Lord Mountbatten. Question point 62. The partition of India took place in which year? A. 1947. B. 1950. C. 1942. D. 1930. Correct answer is A. 1947.